back to vasu'screativechannel. So in this week's video, I am doing a Rakhi tutorial on making a card. So before we start this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get started. So we're gonna need a punching hole, glue stick, scale, rakhi, scissors, eraser, pencil, markers, golden pen, which is optional, and shades of blue, which I'm using color paper, so because my rakhi is in blue color. Let's get started. Here you can see that I'm actually folding the paper in a half, and then I'm just going to keep it aside, and then I'm going to take another size, and then I'm actually now cutting about like probably 2 by 2, actually 3 by 2. Here you can see that I just had cutted it, and now I'm actually gonna glue it. And now I'm actually making from the tutorial of the flowers what I did, like the roses, which I'll be giving you the link. Which is in the description box and also the top. And now you can see that I'm actually ready. And now I also have my flowers ready. Now I'm actually gonna be arranging them. So one of the flowers gonna actually be coming on the top, and now I try to glue it using glue or hot glue gun. But I tried it with glue, which didn't work, but try also use it with hot glue gun or Elmer's liquid glue. Now I'm actually writing Raksha bandhan. You might not see HA because it's covered. And now I'm actually cutting the white sheet of paper. I'll give the measurements in the description box below. And now I'm using the golden pen, or you can use a yellow marker to mark just like the lines for design. And now I'm actually gonna glue it. And I'm actually also gonna be gluing the flower. We're using a punching hole to punch 2 holes to fit our rakhi in. So try and see to fit your rakhi in by the holes. If your rakhi is too big, try to have more than 1 hole for each side. And now I'm actually gonna decorate the inside with some stars. Don't forget to comment down what you are doing to this rakhi. So I'm actually designing the design, and I forgot to spell tacky incorrectly, so it's supposed to be T-A-C-K-Y. And I actually designed it with the golden pen, with the gel pen. So yeah. This is my final Raksha bandhan card. And I also did something beside it, just like much more writing towards its face. Have a wonderful Raksha Bandhan, everyone. Bye!